everyone. We're at the campsite. It's been raining all day. But we don't mind. The mechanicals love the rain. Ah, Green has even made a little boat. She's having so much fun. Oh, go, Green.
Maybe too much fun. Poor little Green has run out of power and needs recharging.
No problem. We'll just use her portable charging bed. Huh? Spinning screwdrivers. No power? Huh. The solar-powered charging beds collect their energy from the sun. But there's no sunlight today. We need to find another source of power.
Oh, what if we gather the energy from the rain with a water wheel?
Huh? Great idea, Grandma. We can channel the rainwater to turn the wheel.
And we can use the water wheel to power a dynamo, which turns movement into electricity that we can charge Green. I'll have a look in Miles's hatch. No. Nope. Aha! A dynamo.
Let's do it! What tools do we need? Wrench. Chisel. Gecko's garage. Time to fix. Gecko's garage. Let's fix this. The first part of our water wheel scheme is to chisel out a channel to make a stream. Fix spoons to the wheel and the wheel to this pin so the water will give the wheel a spin. The water wheel drives the dynamo, creating electricity to help Green go. Oh, it's working! Green's powered up and ready to go.
And just in time for us to recharge with a nice cup of tea.
Thanks, Grandma.